Personal hygiene and privacy issues have always been the big challenges between long-term bedridden patients and their caregivers. Daxin has created an innovative system for waste management. We called it the Automatic Toileting Device. The Automatic Toileting Device greatly improves the hygienic conditions of a patient, lowering the risk of infections and providing him a cleaner, more comfortable home care experience all around. It also solves the issue of caregivers having to make regular diaper changes. Processor can monitor a patient's activity at all times. With a very familiar, intuitive, and user-friendly interface. With a built-in air purifier and honeycomb-type activated carbon air filter, the automatic toileting device is constantly and actively purifying the surrounding air. The smart temperature control system allows for a personalized touch, ensuring the comfort of the patient, no matter how sensitive their skin is. With the ability to check bowel movement history and intervals, caregivers are able to detect any irregularities in movement patterns early. The automatic toileting device also has a fully automatic cleaning and drying system. It activates when it detects the patient's waste. Manual cleaning is also possible for a more exhaustive wash. Daxin products. Smart, green, innovative. Daxin, the innovative caregiving, giving beloved ones the colorful life.